Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use energy booster for your Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to use the energy booster, you just simply have to open Hamster Kombat, and after opening the Hamster Kombat you will get to see this home page into here. Now into this page, you just simply have to tap into this boost option at the bottom right side, and after going into there you will get to see free daily boosters option. Now in order to boost the energy, just simply tap to full energy option and then select go ahead. It is free process, so it won't cost any gold or coins in order to do this, and as you can see here, my energy was already full. This way you can very easily use the reward for 6 times in every 60 minutes. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.